Alright, so finally we are back for another sound test, and we now have some big guns under $20. We have the Waner, and we have the Sound of Zero True Quarks as well. And then we're throwing in the CRN because I believe sometimes it's already sub 20 now. So yeah, the Waner and also the Sono is quite close. They're kind of like brothers, more so compared to the True. But let me know what you think, and let me know what is your preference down in the comments below. Let's start the sound test now.
To say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And